How to permanently delete your Instagram account. Begin by launching the Instagram app. Click on your profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Locate Account Center and select it. Within Account Center, find and click on Personal Details. Once on this page, proceed to click on Account Ownership Control. In the subsequent page, you will find the option for deactivation or deletion. Click on it. Your Instagram profile will be displayed. Click on it. You will then be guided through the process of deactivating or deleting your Instagram account. Choose between deleting it permanently or deactivating your account for a period of time. Make your selection and click Continue to confirm. I trust this guide proves helpful, and I look forward to sharing more insights with you in the next video. See you then.